Ever gaze at your smartwatch and wish it could do more than just tell time and track your steps? Imagine a world where your watch could be your personal fitness trainer, your health monitor, and your entertainment hub, all wrapped up in one sleek design. Welcome to the world of Fire Bollt's Diablo, Huracan, and Elemento smartwatches. In the vast sea of smartwatches, Fire Boltt's offerings stand out like a beacon. While most smartwatches offer basic features like timekeeping, notifications, and health tracking, Fire Boltt takes it a notch higher. The Diablo, Huracan, and Elemento watches are not just timekeepers, they're your personal lifestyle companions. Take the Fire Boltt Diablo for instance. It's more than just a smartwatch, it's a statement. With its customizable watch faces, you can express your style in a unique way. But it's not all about the looks. The Diablo is a powerhouse of features, including an advanced health monitoring system that keeps tabs on your heart rate, sleep, and stress levels. Let's shift gears to the Huracan. Named after a fierce storm, this watch is a force to reckon with. It comes with a powerful battery that can last for days on a single charge, a feature that many popular smartwatches in the market struggle to offer. Finally, we have the Elemento. This watch breaks the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do. With its unique modular design, you can switch between different modules to suit your needs. Want to focus on fitness? Snap on the fitness module. Need to monitor your health? Switch to the health module. It's that simple. But don't just take our word for it. Compare these watches with other popular smartwatches in the market. You'll find that while others offer basic features, Fire Boltt's Diablo, Huracan, and Elemento smartwatches offer a lifestyle. So why settle for less when you can have more? Why limit yourself to a standard smartwatch when you can have a lifestyle companion? Check out the Fire Boltt Diablo, Huracan, and Elemento smartwatches. Unleash the power of technology on your wrist. Discover a world where your watch does more than just tell time. It's time to redefine what a smartwatch can be. It's time to choose Fire Boltt.